Everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today I am going to teach you how to fix this specific error problem in Valorant. So we have a problem here called device hard disk volume 3. So this is a driver's issue or like an audio issue. So what you want to do first, you want to head to device manager. So you press Windows key, then you type device manager. After that, this is gonna pop up on your screen. After this pop up, you're gonna scroll down right here. Then after you scroll down right here, you're gonna right click that. Then you're gonna find Sonic Studio. Yes, you find this one. After you find Sonic Studio, you press right click. Then after you press right click, you disable it. Then close device manager, restart your computer. Again, restart your computer, not shut down, okay? Restart. And after you restart, you open Valorant again, then it will be working. Okay? Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope I help you on your issue today, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.